I'm sitting in a 2006 Ford Mustang. I have one existing non-remote key, and we're going to be programming this additional key. Just do add a key. So go ahead, take your key, turn it to on. The security light is blinking down there. We'll go to Ford, Mustang, 06. We'll check our key count here. 5. Still got room. We're going to program a key. Remove key. Key's on. We're going to do 1. Enter. Turn that off. Back to on. All right, well, I'm going to go to our count keys here. I should have that key programmed. 6 keys. That's it. The key is programmed. Everything is done.